welcome back to my channel. This video will be quite different from all my other videos. In this circuit breaker period, the only thing and the most important thing we got is time. Now you can't make any excuses by saying मेरे पास time नहीं है क्योंकि अभी तुम्हारे पास time है. Like that, I was also looking to do makeover a part of my room from past few months, but I couldn't get time. So when I got time, I did it, and it is quite interesting. Now I got a place where I can simply sit calmly and just meditate, or even we can arrange a house party over there. One more important thing I want to mention here, whatever additional product we had, we just managed to arrange with them. I haven't purchased anything for that particular arrangement or particular makeover. So I made some DIY products to make it more elegant. I tried my best and I hope you people will like it. So let's see the video.
So this is the whole setup. I arranged them previously. We'll demonstrate whole thing. Firstly, let's go for these mattresses. Actually, we have two additional mattresses. One is queen size, the other one is single mattress. So I put the queen size one as a lower layer while kept the single one on top of it, so that we got two layers. We can sit wherever we are comfortable. To cover the lower layer, I have used a multi-purpose comforter, and for the upper layer, I used a soft cotton fabric bedsheet. Then comes the side table. It's a rectangular table, while to cover this one, I had a new doormat, so used that one. Then I have used few pillows, sofa cushion, while the window curtain was already there, and a blanket. On the other side again I have used another corner table with two layers. Now I have a desk pad. Actually, it was a foldable laptop table. Its legs got broken, so now we use it as a desk pad. It is quite helpful because while working we can keep our laptop and other stuffs, and even we can keep our food so that it will be stable on it. I prefer to keep it on upper layer so that we can sit comfortably on the lower one. For the rectangular table, I used a DIY wall hanging. You can click on the I button on right top corner to watch the full video of it. Then kept an empty vase and put some fairy lights into it. Lastly, kept my small money plant inside a glittery top hat. Then I spread yarn wall lights on the upper layer. I made it on Diwali, so some of them spoiled and need to change them. So you can watch my previous video to know easy steps how to make it. Then we'll move forward with the corner table. As you can see, I used a teddy with a party eye mask and my DIY bottle art. Click on the I button to watch the full video on it. I kept it on top of a thermocol spreaded with some potpourris. Here also I have a vase with DIY tissue roses. On the second layer of the table, I kept a table watch and another teddy. Lastly, having a party light with multiple color options. With those fairy lights, the whole setup looks like this.
I hope you liked this video. Please share your valuable feedback in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will come back with new video. Till then, bye bye.